In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a subdomain on the Namecheap website. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you do that, make sure to go to the URL section and simply type namecheap.com and hit the enter button. That should take you into this page. And if you are logged in into your account, of course, you'll find your account right here. So if you have an account, just go and log in into it. And you'll have to fill your password and username and sign in into it. But if you don't have an account, you'll find at the right of it here a sign up option. Of course, you'll have to fill all your information manually because there is no option as like sign up with Google, even like logging in. There's no fast way. Everything should be manually. Once you do one of these two options, you will find yourself at the dashboard of your account. And as we said, is we would like to create a subdomain into our account of Namecheap. So we will have to go into our domain list from the left panel right here. Once we do that, we'll find all the domain names that we already bought into this account. Make sure to locate the one that you want to create a subdomain into it and click on manage. Once you do that, make sure to select this advanced DNS tab and look for host record, which is going to be the second option. If you don't know much about this, you can just go and learn more different record types. But if you don't care, you can just go and click at add a new record and add the subdomain or create the subdomain that you want. Once you choose whatever you want, make sure to fill the host and value and even change the TLL if necessary. Of course, once you're done, save all the changes and you will be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.